Welcome back gamers to the official ZAP-Hosting YouTube channel. My name is Ellie, and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can set up your own Soulmask server on your Windows VPS, so let's get started. First, I will show you how to get a Windows VPS server. If you own one already, skip the video to the provided timestamp on the screen. Now navigate to the root server bar, select VPS Hosting and then click on Windows VPS Hosting. Here you can configure a server to your liking. You can change the server location, RAM, CPU cores, disk space, IP addresses, bandwidth and the operating system. Finally, select a payment method, but before you confirm your order, here is a little gift from us. 30% off voucher code, which you can use by clicking here on Use Voucher and typing Soulmask -VPS. After you confirm your order, the server will be up in just a minute. Now click on your VPS server and wait for the server to finish the installation. Once the installation completes, navigate to the settings tab, which can be found right here on the left. Here, create an administrator password that you will have to use in order to log in via the remote desktop app. Now copy your server's IP address and launch the remote desktop app on your PC. Click on Show Options. In the Computer tab, paste in the IP to your server. The username will always be administrator by default. Now click Connect and type the password, which is the one you defined earlier, and click on OK. After successfully connecting to the machine, create a folder on your desktop and name it however you like. For example, I will call it Soulmask. After creating the folder, you will need to download SteamCMD. To do so, open Google Chrome and paste in the link that you will find in the video description, and the download of SteamCMD will automatically begin. Once the download finishes, open the file and drag and drop the contents of it into the folder you created earlier. After that, open the folder you have created, then double-click SteamCMD and wait for the installation to finish. After it is finished, write down the following command: login anonymous. Then paste in the app update command that you will find in the video description and press on enter. Installation of your Soulmask dedicated server will now begin, which can take up to 10 minutes, so sit back and relax. After a successful installation, feel free to close this window by writing quit. Now go to Steam Apps, Common, then Soulmask dedicated server. In here, you will need to create a dedicated star file to launch your server. To do so, click on View at the top left corner and enable file name extensions. Then create a new text document and call it however you like, for example, Soulmask server, but make sure to change the .txt to .bat and then open the file using Notepad++. In here, simply paste in the following command that you will find in the video description. Now if you wish, you can change your server's name, set max players allowed on the server, set a password for your server, and of course change the admin password. But once you configure everything to your liking, remember to save the file and feel free to close it. You will now need to unlock the ports to access the server, and this process is really simple with the script we have created. Search for Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. A new window will open, so simply paste in the following command that you will find in the video description and press on enter. All the needed ports will now be unlocked for your server to appear online and for others to join. Now go back to your server files and double-click on the start server bat file you have created. If the server does not start, you will need to copy some extra Steam files for your server to start. Simply open the directory of where Steam is installed on your PC and find the three files called SteamClient64, Tier0 S64 and vstdlib S64. Now select them, click on copy and go back to your VPS machine. Now navigate to WS folder, then binaries and finally Win64. In here, simply paste in the files you have copied earlier and then go back where your start server bat file is located. Now feel free to start your server again, but make sure to give it a couple of minutes for the server to fully load. Once your server is online, launch Soulmask on your PC. In the game, select Online Game and then click on the Connect to the server directly button. Now go back to your ZAP interface and copy your server's IP address. Then go back to the game and paste it into the IP field. In the port field, type 8777, which is the default Soulmask port. Now put in the password if you have created one earlier and click on confirm. And here you go, you have now successfully connected to your own Soulmask server. Enjoy! If you have any questions, you can contact our support by creating a ticket on our website or live chat and we will be more than happy to help you out. Now have a lovely rest of the week and enjoy playing on your ZAP server.